Good stuff. Exciting time.
Yeah.
And some more information for our viewers, something other plans we've got. We're going to be busy, Ali. So, hey, legal quick news. And this is something that you and I have been discussing over the last, well, we've discussed it a long time ago, but I suppose we're now just getting to a point where we're realizing what we can do with it, and we were chatting about that in the last kind of few weeks. So do you want to just explain a little bit about that?
Sure. Well, I think we're living in a world of creating quick content where we are able to pick up the devices that we're all carrying with us all the time and actually just record content and then distribute it. So what we have discussed is that very often there is a breaking legal news story, whether it's a court case or a judgment or whatever it is. And it seems to be the case that for traditional media, it takes quite a bit of time to be able to get some understanding of it. It can be quite clunky. And then when they cover the topic, it's maybe not always the points that the lawyers might have made about it. And it gets lost a little bit. And then the general public are picking up a vibe about it that's maybe not exactly what someone who knows the inside track might say is actually going on. So our plan in relation to Hey Legal Quick News, again, that's a working title, but no doubt it will now stick, is that we will get experts such as yourself to come in and to provide short form content, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, making 2 or 3 key points about what's actually happened or going on or if whatever it will be. And we will just release it on Hey Legal YouTube channel really quickly. And the audience for that is everyone really. So that could be anyone who's got an interest in the law or anyone who's got an interest in these types of stories. And we will cover all sorts of different types of legal work as well. So we'll bring in experts from other, if it's personal injury or family law or whatever the story would happen to be that people are saying, what's going on there? We'll get the inside track from a relevant expert and just release it. And that's just maybe trying to feel as though we're creating more modern, short form, explainer type content that we're seeing in loads of other sectors, but maybe not just as much in the legal sector.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And I think that's the thing. You know, I suppose daily, well, weekly, if not daily, you're hearing things that are happening in the law and you maybe pick up on it or you don't and it passes you by. So it's just, I suppose, an educational piece for lawyers, but as you say, also to educate the public, because very often with just thinking myself of any media stuff that I've done, you get embroiled into things and you think, "Oh, it's accurate, but it's maybe not the way that you would look at it or the questions that you'd be posing." So it just gives us the opportunity to get things out there quickly. And as you say, whether it's something that's in the news or we're anticipating being in the news, or if it's legal judgments across various sectors, then we can cover that. And I think, sadly, people's attention span will have switched off by now. We're now at 26 minutes, but people's attention span these days is they'll look at a video and if it's any more than a few minutes, they switch off. But it's just to feed out that information in a short, snappy way that's relevant and up to the minute. So, yeah, looking forward to doing that as well.
Yeah, that would be good. But I suppose it will just be the next, we'll just go with the moment in relation to that. So when the next big high profile news item is there, then we'll create some content around it and just rather than a January launch, which seems to be the January launch for everything else, we'll just maybe start and do this one. But yeah, in short form content, they're easy to digest, making a couple of key points that might give assistance. And we'll see how we go on with it. Really, it's one of those things that a lot of the stuff we've done in Hey Legal is just trying different things and seeing
Yes.
yeah, like what works. 5-hour live streams, for example,
Right.
continues,
Yeah.
seeing what works and seeing what maybe needs refined. So that's the plan there.
No, absolutely. Good stuff.